This is Intrism Helix, a three-dimensional marble maze laser cut from wood, engineered with hair-width precision, and assembled by you, entirely by hand, without glue, tools, or tech. At the core, 3 twisted helical pathways, over 180 pieces, 100 unique challenges, 1 mind-bending cube. Solving it is where the real fun begins. You'll fail, you'll retry, and when you finally reach the end, you'll want to do it all over again. It's a piece you'll want to keep on display, a blend of sculpture and strategy that draws eyes and starts conversations. It's the perfect balance between our compact Intrism Mini and our intense Intrism Pro. Challenging enough to keep you thinking, beautiful enough to earn a permanent spot in your space. Whether you're a maker, a thinker, or a gift giver, Intrism Helix is a hands-on experience that sticks with you. Intrism puzzles are carbon neutral, made in the US, and backed by our commitment to quality. We're a small team in Ohio designing everything in-house from sketch to shipment. After thousands of hours of iteration, Intrism Helix is our most ambitious puzzle yet. With your help, we can bring Intrism Helix to life. Back this project today and get exclusive early pricing, up to 40% off. Challenge your hands, twist your brain, build something beautiful.